All right, we're going to start off here in the Central Pacific, or excuse me, the East Pacific. This is Hurricane Genevieve. This is a very strong hurricane that strengthened really quickly. I'll get this out of the way. It is basically a fish storm. It's not going to be affecting anybody, but it's impressive to look at. Category 4, actually, at the last update. So look at that pressure down at 947 millibars. So we have that storm. It's mostly satellite eye candy. You get farther toward the west, and we have Hurricane Fausto. Now, it's in the process of weakening as we speak, but it's a little unnerving to see Hawaii over here, right? Hawaii just west of where this hurricane is, and it is generally headed in that vicinity. Now, historically with Hawaii, it's pretty tough to get a strong storm that comes in out of the east because the water gets a lot cooler up there. It's kind of an interesting thing to look at when you're looking at the sea surface temperatures, which I'll show you in just a second, but you can see the eye has somewhat eroded on this storm. And the forecast cone likely takes it north of the islands. There's a small chance that we could have like a... Let's do this. See, I got the sea surface temperatures on there, and now I'm going to throw the forecast model for the precip on top of that. Okay, so you can see as it moves toward the west, this is the European model. It's got it over some of the cooler water here, at least north of where you're seeing the yellows. And as it approaches Hawaii, let's zoom in on this and see what it looks like. How much rain is there going to be? I mean, look at this. This is kind of the opposite of what we just saw with Bertha in the Gulf. It's maybe a bit of a lopsided system with, you know, the heaviest rain on the north side of it. So yes, as you see these lines tighten up, those are lines of constant pressure, and that means that it's going to be a little bit on the windy side, obviously with some kind of tropical system or the remnants passing by. Let's compare that to the GFS model. Okay, let's zoom in on this a little bit. GFS is taking it even farther toward the north, actually. So meaning more weakening that would be happening as